Today I'm going to teach you how to make cream cheese. These are the ingredients you're going to need for garlic and green onion cream cheese. You're going to need garlic powder, salt, a mesophilic starter, and I'll give you the website for where I get mine from, green onions, rennet, half and half, a thermometer, a bag to hang your cheese in, and a couple of other things that I'll show you in just a sec. You'll also need a large saucepan, a colander, and a slotted spoon. Step 1. Add 3 drops of rennet to about 1/3 cup of water. You'll use that later in your cream mixture. Your first step is going to be to heat your half and half to 86 degrees. That's just shy of boiling. And that's why we need our thermometer. Once we get to 86 degrees, we're going to turn off the heat. Add our mesophilic starter and gently mix it in. Once you've got that thoroughly mixed in, you're going to add about 1 tablespoon, give or take, of your rennet mixture. Remember, the 3 drops in your cool water. Then you cover it and remove it from the heat. And that's going to sit for 12 hours, so have it off to the side where no one will mess with it. I wouldn't leave it on the stove unless everybody knows not to heat up the burners around it. And it's going to sit for 12 hours. We'll be back in 12 hours and I'll show you what it looks like. After about 12 hours, your cream cheese will start to form. See how solid that is? And what you're going to do is score it with a knife so that it'll be easier to get out, and you're going to add some water to warm it up. Your next step is to add boiling water to your curd so we can raise the temperature of it between 115 and 125. Our next step is to add the curds to the bag. Bring this over a colander. so the water can drain as we go. Kind of gelatinous. Not very appetizing at this point, but be patient. It'll get there. After you fill your bags, hang them up so they can drain. And then periodically feel it every few hours to see what the texture's like. It should be a little spongy but not damp under the bag. I'll show you.